Welcome back to the channel. Today we're finally going to be working on replacing the door panels in the green truck. So they're pretty beat up, falling apart. As you can see, they're squeaky and nasty. We got a shipment in from Coverlay. Nice set of brand new black door panels. No fabric to get all nastied up. Only on the bottom, pocket. Everything we have existing will be replaced. Nice and soft, just like the original. They came in perfect. Clean these up. Let's get these installed. Come on. To do that, quick set of trim removal tools. They were like $5 on Amazon. They'll do the trick. Like I said, pretty much falling apart. So, out with the old, and in with the new. We'll take off all these old trim pieces. This doesn't work. A pair of pliers will work great. Go. Instructions. Let's see. 2 screws and a bunch of these little Christmas trees. I'm gonna guess it's pretty simple. Yep. So. Gonna need a quick cleaning, but that, as you can see, the armrest over here is disgusting, and this is actually torn up and broken. Very, very dirty. Just gotta hit it with some Windex real quick, and that's like new. I'm gonna leave the billet on here. Gotta shine this stuff up so it matches the rest of the interior here. I ordered a set of these sill plates in billet to replace that, and also the shifter over here. I'm not sure if you can see that in the black there. Gonna finish it up for today. I think that's a very serious difference. Look at that, and no more getting stuck. There you go. Close it up. Pops right open. This isn't getting caught anymore. Pulling apart like that, or completely apart like that one. One more piece down.